Food Basics, the discount banner of Metro Ontario, has been operating over 100 locations all across Ontario. The company was founded in 1995 by A&P to compete against No Frills and was sold to Metro in 2005. The company focuses on selling fresh, quality groceries and saving customers money, making their slogan, "Always more for less," quite true. The Food Basics we toured is located at 1220 Castlemore Avenue in Markham, Ontario. Based on the answers given during the tour and research done online, we've concluded that the store is approximately 100,000 square feet. To maximize space, the majority of the space in the Food Basics grocery store is allocated to the shelves and displays, with most of the store being used by the products. The office area of the managers is at the front of the store on a second level overlooking the cash registers and is conveniently placed so that the manager can come down to the main level whenever it is necessary. Food Basics currently employs approximately 50 employees per location. Our tour was conducted by the assistant store manager, Hanny. Food Basics, being a grocery store, focuses on supplying customers with fresh, quality groceries at affordable prices, offering a variety of nearly any grocery item available to the market, such as meats, dairy products, fruit, and more. Food Basics focuses on marketing towards the lower socioeconomic households by offering cheaper priced goods. Food Basics is purely a Canadian company and only conducts operations in Canada, thus not relying on exports from other countries.
Food Basics does not manufacture any goods. The company focuses purely on a buy and sell strategy in order to meet demand. Because the company sells a large selection of differentiated goods, a mass customization approach would be ideal in order to maximize efficiency and profit, in the case that they did choose to manufacture goods themselves. Food Basics as a grocery store is a product-based business. They do not provide services. However, it has been known that some grocery stores do offer a delivery service, has helped them to maximize profits while doing so in a timely fashion. A prime example being Grocery Gateway by Longo's. This could be something that they could look into developing in the future, if the service industry looks to be promising for the business.
Their current system, a BDMS inventory system, was put in place in 2007 and has been considered an extremely helpful upgrade from their prior manual system that involved the use of a modem. This current system gives them a better ability to keep track of stock, reduce shrink, view recommendations for quantity to better predict future orders, and allows them to do many processes their past system could not. This inventory system is more advanced and modern, however, like all technology, there's always room for improvements. The assistant manager suggested that they should adopt Walmart's inventory system that has UPS codes on all their products they have in store to better track them. In addition, Food Basics should develop a system that automatically generates product orders based on their demand and on what is currently in stock at that time, promoting real-time inventory management. However, Food Basics is comfortable with their current inventory system and does not have the intention on straying or adopting a new one anytime soon.
Food Basics ensures optimal health and safety standards in a number of ways. Food Basics upholds policies promoting employees to keep the store and equipment organized in the right place in order to minimize injuries and harm. Food Basics uses ergonomic equipment such as the ergonomic chairs that managers use when writing orders and various equipment such as power jacks to certify that employees have extra level of comfort while working and do not hurt or strain themselves. Food Basics emergency safety equipment include multiple eye wash stations, fire extinguishers, and first aid kits that are tested regularly. During internal audits, all equipment is checked to make sure they operate correctly and are in the right place. If inspections are failed, the proper fines are given to the responsible parties. This encourages employees to follow all safety policies.
Quality control is extremely vital to the survival of Food Basics, and they go about ensuring the integrity of their brand by having 3 audits yearly, 2 by the Corporate Food and Safety Audit, done by Metro, and the other by the city. During these audits, the stores are divided into 8 different departments in which they are all critiqued accordingly, as they will all have different standards that they must abide to. Failure to meet inspection will result in a visit from head office to delegate some changes that must occur to ensure such issues can be avoided in the future. Food Basics is ISO 9000 certified, and they make sure their products are all above standard to continue thriving as a profitable and safe organization.
Food Basics plant maintenance policy is ISO 9000 certified and maintains a proactive maintenance policy. Metro requires up to 2 internal audits, as well as a mandatory 3 audits annually. Internal audits are performed by Metro maintenance supervisors who review store standards through a checklist. Issues that need to be addressed will become the responsibility of the store and will have to be approved by a Metro-appointed inspector. 2 audits, called the Corporate Food and Safety Audit, are done by Metro inspectors to ensure that the Quality Control Department has met above city standards. Each Food Basics store is audited into 8 different departments based on corresponding criteria. A final audit will be performed by the city, where hopefully previous audits would have extensively prepared for. Normally, Metro allows up to 2 weeks to fix any issues indicated by an audit. Metro policies normally also allow any maintenance project less than $500 and approved by the store manager to be done almost immediately. Projects costing more than $500 would have to be approved by Metro to avoid exceeding the budget for repairs. Vital repairs can also be done at the discretion of the assigned inspector. In a situation that Food Basics store is consistently not up to standards, Metro may be forced to move the store manager or lay off a number of employees. Metro's strict policy ensures that each Food Basics store maintains high food quality, continues to be at above city standards, and does not result in foreclosure indefinitely.
What we didn't expect as a result of the store was how Food Basics forecast demands. When Food Basics had a sale a few weeks prior, an order of 3 skids of eggs were sold out in only a matter of days. When the sale came again, managers were able to better predict the order of eggs needed, based on how many units were sold last time and over what time period. We also learned that Food Basics uses a sort of safety net by ordering more units of a product than needed, and placing any overstock on the tops of shelves. However, due to some stores underperforming in terms of budget, the CEO of the company decided that excess stock would no longer be stored on the tops of shelves. This was to avoid the 30% of overstock that would expire and end up as shrink.